So next question, sir, is what are the challenges faced in your business and how did you overcome them?
So, lahat yan, yung mga nagninegosyo, alam na nila. Sa mga tao, ang manpower kasi there's no shoes fits all. So, walang perfect management talaga. Wala rin naman perfect employee. So, basically, it's a meet and match. Depende sa culture, sa values. So, marami. Yun lang isa site ko muna. At least, human error. Pero ang dami pa, technology, finances, and so on and so forth.
Okay. Next, sir, do you have any role models, mentors, or figures who have inspired your career or personal development?
Nung bata ako, si Sir Gokong Wei. Yan. Sa local. Sa international, pagdating sa money mindset, si T. Harv Eker.
Sir, how do you handle negative and positive feedbacks?
I eat it every day. So, may negative, may positive, I don't care anymore. You should be careful. You don't care, actually, yun lang. Wala kang pakialam dun kasi hindi naman sila magpapakain sa akin eh. Nang walang-wala ako. Hindi naman sila nagpakain sa akin. Hindi rin sila nagpagamot sa asawa ko may sakit. Hindi rin sila nagpalibing dun sa asawa ko. So, wala.
So, if you're just comfortable sharing any information about your family or what you can share about your personal values.
One of my practices na ginagawa ko siguro kung family is natutunan ko sa isang grade 2 student which is ang tatay ko. Kung pinagtapos niya kami, pinag-aral niya kami, 4 na barako, na 4 na lalaki. So, doon pa lang, it means so much to me and it means so much dun sa mga wala akong ituturo ngayon kung walang naituro sa akin. And of course, yung nanay ko. Nanay ko, grade 6 naman, pero hanggang ngayon, 87 years old, buhay pa. I'm still learning from her up to this day.